Need help increasing the temperature on that Rinnai Tankless water heater? Well, let's get right to it. So I did post a video a long time ago on how to increase your temperature on the old version of the Rinnai Tankless. So this is the new version. So the first step is you're going to just slide these decorative tabs or trim pieces off. They just snap right out, okay? Just set those to the side. There's one on each side of the unit. All right, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to see 4 screws. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. I like a drill motor, makes it much, much faster. And you're just going to remove the screws. All right, so once you've removed the screws, the panel just slides right off. You just set that down. All right, so come a little closer and I'll show you the next step. All right, folks, so as you can see, you can't increase it, so you've got to go through this step right here. All right, folks, so what you want to do is you're going to see A and B button. What you want to do is, when it's reading 120, go ahead and hit the A button, which is that top black button here. Just click that once until you see and get a reading 01A. 01A, okay? Now once you get that, hit the on and off button once, and it's gonna turn to 016. Once you do that, go ahead, come back to the A button and hold it there until you get 120 again. Once you do that, then go ahead and increase the temperature to 140 or 135. It's that simple, folks. And again, you cannot shut the unit off. You got to keep it powered in order to be able to go through the system. Again, finding that A button, which is that top black button there. Real quick recap. So what you want to do is hit that A button. The screen's going to change to 016. After that, hit the on and off button. When you do that, it's going to go 01A. Once you see that 01A, go back to the A button, hold it until it goes back to 120. Once you see 120, that's when you can increase the temperature. All right, folks, well, hopefully this helped. As always, thanks for watching, and make sure you hit that subscribe button.